Hi guys, I was just fountain climbing. What is this? There's a note hidden. Let me read it. Dear Luna, I hope you like my gift. It's called a dinosaur gift, and I tear it all. Hey, this is already tear. Let's see in the back what it's going to do. Okay, look. Let's do this and blah, 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 blah. Okay. Pinch any holes you need. Okay, let's just do it. Now let's open this. Get out of here. Let's open this first. Hi, guys. Let's open it. And this is a science video, but this one is more different than a science video. Look at the dinosaur. Ah! Let's do it. How do you even do it? I'm scared. How are you gonna even do it? Okay, maybe I can take this out. I was taking for a long time. Am I gonna get any dirty things in my... No, I'm not gonna get... Okay, how do you even do it? Okay, first take it out. Oh, take it out. So scared. Take it out. Oh! Wow, look, everybody, guys. Look. It smells bad. It smells like dinosaur poop. Ah! Help, 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 help. Help. Now do like this. Let's see the guy what he's. Wow, that's awesome. Let's try it again. Let me get out of this mess. Help! I'm stuck. Help! Help! Anybody want to help me to get out of here? Help! Help! Get out of here. Get it. Okay, let me try to grab it. Oh, boy, that's a bad idea. A really bad idea. Really bad idea. Switch plans. Let's not do it. Okay, let's switch plans. And I'm covered with goo. Good thing the goo will suck up in my hand if I just do like this. Okay, done. Done. Okay. This I'm gonna put it here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do like this. And then put the hole and then keep the air from flowing like this. That smells so bad. So I'm gonna get it out. Let me try to get it out. Okay, help. Help. Okay, now let's see the dinosaur and let's see it. Now what do we do? Now try to take it off. Should we take it off like this? No. Get out of here. Seriously, help! Get out of here. Good thing I can put it down here because it's not that sticky. Whoa. Okay, let me get out of here. Okay, come on. I'm never gonna do this again. Help, help. Hiya, hiya. Hiya, hiya, hiya. Hiya, get out of the slime. This is also a science video, but today we're going to do a toys video, okay? Let's put it here because it looks like it. Home. Ooh, I know this one. You? It's Pterosaurus. Pterosaurus. I can't even say it. Because you already know. Seriously, get out of here. Look at the Pterosaurus. This is the bone of the Pterosaurus. Oh my god, it has so many layers. Let me take this in the museum. I know you saw it in the museum of the dinosaurs, but this we saw it already. 18 pounds. No way. This is his island. Good thing we can take it out. This is a big island. I'm rolling it. This dinosaur pee.
Yes.
Ah! I'm hating dinosaur pee. Look at this. I'm a sis. I'm a big mother bitch. Let's try to pull it. So we need to put it in the middle, and let's put like this. Hi. Let's put it in my hand. I'm scared. There's one way to put it like this, and then I can carry it like this. And let's see what happens when I put the shape like this. Oh yeah. I'm trying to get it out, but it's not listening. Okay, I did it. I did it. Yes, I did it. Wow, that was a lot of noise. Get out of here, you yucky slime. Seriously. Get out of here, you yucky slime. Hey! I like slime because they're so sticky and they can stretch really far. Look at this, I can make a smile face. Now let's see, I can make a hair like this. If I pull it, it looks like the tallest mountain in the Everest. Like, you know about Nepal. It has the tallest mountain in Everest. Flat, flat, flat. Flat, flat. Okay, we're making it is, now we're gonna finally blow it. I'm scared of it. Ah! Okay, let's put the hole here and then let's cover it slime like this. Cover, cover, cover here and there, everywhere. Hey! I'm covering you.